Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create an operator using an activity. Uh, in general scenario, we can create an operator from the uh, configure, organization and security operators. From here where you can go and create a new operator. For example, here click on new, you can create a new operator. This is the static way. For example, I want to create an operator dynamical in the sense using an activity, or I have a one Excel file contains a 10 operators details. Then I want to create, when I upload that Excel file, I want to create 10 operators. So in that case, how can we implement it this scenario? Usually we need to create an activity. Using that activity, we should create an operator. So in this video I am going to show you how to do that. Okay, now as usually, go to an activities. Go to activities. I'm going to create a new activity. My activity name is uh, your wish, just new operator, new operator creation, that's it. No branch. My class name as usually. Okay, I can take any class. Remember this, you can take any class, no problem. Click on create and open. Now tell me, first of all, I can always look for that what is my requirement. I want to create an operator. Is there any OOTB? First I can look for that. Okay, yes, I have a one OOTB activity, create operator. I have a one OOTB activity, create operator. So create operator. I have a one OOTB activity in the data admin operator ID class. Open this one. Okay, just see the history. Go to the description, creates an operator record. Okay, now this is a OOTB activity in the PEGA Procom Sonson rule set in the data admin operator ready class. Now call this activity. How to call this activity? Call data admin operator id dot my operator name, create my activity name, create an operator, like this. Or if you want a different way, call create operator, but you should mention the operator page as a step page, and again in the pages and classes. Otherwise PEGA doesn't know, right, this activity belongs to which class. So in both the ways, you can call an activity. So your wish. So we will go with the second approach. Or if you directly, by using the class name dot activity name. But here what I did, I am referring this class in my step page and I am calling an activity. Okay, call data admin operator id dot create operator. Just expand. See this one. First of all, this is the OOTB activity. This this activity expecting any parameters or not? Okay, this activity is expecting so many parameters, and all these are mandatory parameters, required. Now that's why when I expand this one, and I expand this one, showing like this. Now what I can do, if you want, you can hard code the values here. If you want, you can hard code the values. First time, organization, my organization name is SBI, division name is loans, unit name is home loan, because this is my existing organization division unit. User ID, for example, OP 23. This is my operator ID. Okay, or else admin 90, password rules 123, access group. What is my current access group? I will give the same access group. I will give the same access group. Okay, SBI Apple colon others. This is my access group. What is username? Okay, uh, admin operator 90. This is the name. Username is nothing but name. This is the operator ID. Operator ID. Just click on save it. So this is nothing but a error messages. If the operator creation is failed, these properties will hold the messages. See, all these are input parameters, but error and message is output parameters. So now keep it empty because these parameters holding the error message values when the operator creation is failed. Okay, now just click on save. That's it. Now you can create a new operator. Now run manually. You can run this activity manually, or if you want, you can call this activity anywhere. You can call this activity from anywhere. You can do it from a flow, or you can call it from another activity, or you can call it from a data page, you can call it from a data transform, you can call it from the one batch process job scheduler, etc, etc. That depends upon your requirement. Ultimately I have an activity, so you can call this activity anywhere based on your business requirement. Now just run this activity manually. Click on run. Okay, no error. That means operator created successfully. Now just check whether the operator is created or not. Organization, operators. What is, see this one, admin operator 90. Operator got created. Now what I want to do, I can log in with this operator ID or not, we will check it. Admin 90 rules 123. Now see this one. Now I'm able to log in with a newly created operator ID. So in this way, you can create a new operator using a OOTB activity or using a built-in activity. So now if you want to do this for a multiple operators also, you can do it. For example, I have a one Excel file. That Excel file contains 100 operator details. When any user is uploaded an Excel file, now what I have to do, I want to process that Excel file, and I want to process that Excel file, and I want to create an operator for each row. So ultimately internally you can call this activity. Internally you can call this activity. Okay. uh, Internally you can call this activity. So like this, once we have an activity with logic, right, you can call it anywhere, in any of the scenario, now here, instead of hard coding all these values here, what I can do, insert above property set, property set okay, param dot org name. What is this? SBI. Now, 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 param dot unit name, SBI loans, right? Now home, param dot user ID admin 92. So param dot password. Okay, here rules 1 2 3. Your wish you can give any password. Param dot access group. You must use the same parameter names. Access group, SBIAPPL colon others. Okay, now param dot user name. Param dot username. What is this? Uh, admin operator or test operator. Your wish. Test operator. Now what I want to do, call, instead of hard coding all these values, pass current parameter page. That means all the above parameters will be passed to this activity. Now click on save, action, run. That's it. Activity executed successfully. Now if you want, you can just see here, go to configure, organization, operators, admin. Okay, what is this? Admin 92, right? This one, see this one, admin 92. Search, open this operator. Now see this one, operator ID is this one. Okay, what is this operator full name is, and we did not set any email ID, that's why this is by default access group, and this is by default time zone, and all these are by default values. And if you want, you can change these values also. If you want, you can change these values also. Now let's have a look into the our OOTB activity. This is the right data admin operator ready, create an operator. So what, see, all these parameters are passing here. Param dot password also passing here, and internally they are creating one activity. Internally they are calling one more activity, create an instance. It will check whether the already operator id is exist or not, etc, etc. All these things, all the logic will be verified in this activity. Finally operator will be created. If you want, you can explore more this OOTB activity. Just my intention is how to create an operator using an activity. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.